हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज हम लोग आपके इंग्लिश बुक का चैप्टर 3 जो कि है डीप वाटर, उससे रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर देखने वाले हैं जो आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। ये वीडियो आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाली है आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए इंग्लिश के। चलिए देखते हैं हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन डिड द राइटर ज्वाइन द YMCA पूल एंड वाई। तो देखिए, द राइटर ज्वाइन द YMCA pool when he was about 10 or 11 years old. He joined to learn how to swim. He wanted to feel safe in water. तो आपको पता है कि जो यहाँ राइटर होते हैं, जो आपके चैप्टर के राइटर हैं विलियम डॉगलस, वो क्यों YMCA पूल ज्वाइन करते हैं, यही पूछा गया था। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। What is the misadvantage that William Douglas speak about? The misadvantage William Douglas talks about is when a big boy threw him into the deep part of the YMCA pool. This made him almost drown. What were the series of emotions and fear that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool? What plans did he make to come out the surface? तो देखिए, उन्होंने सरफेस पे आने के लिए क्या क्या आपने जो प्लानिंग की। तो देखिए, when he was thrown into the pool, Douglas felt very scared, like pure terror. He felt a big fear. He planned to hit the bottom of the pool with his feet, then push himself up with all his strength to come out of the water quickly. What did Douglas do in the water to save his life? Inside the water, Douglas tried to push himself up from the bottom with his feet. He also tried to move his arms and legs. He wanted to shout but no sound come out. तो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपके लिए काफ़ी इजी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में आंसर्स लाई हूँ मैं, तो आई होप आपको समझने में कोई परेशानी नहीं हो रही होगी, क्योंकि बिल्कुल इजी वर्ड्स के साथ इंग्लिश के जो आपके आंसर्स हैं वो मैंने लाया है। What did the instructor do to train Douglas? The instructor trained Douglas by putting a belt around him. A rope was tied to the belt end went through a pulley. The instructor held the other end of the rope. They practiced swimming back and the forth across the pool. The instructor also taught him to breathe out under water and breathe in above water. He also taught him to kick the legs. Next question है, what did the author think when he was drawing in deep water? When he was drawing in deep water, the author thought about dying at one point. He felt calm and peaceful, like he just want to sleep and not fight anymore. Next question है, what did Suslett say about the fear of death? Suslett said, all we have to fear is fear itself. This means that the feeling of being afraid is the biggest problem, not what we are afraid of. What was the childhood incident that made Douglas afraid of water? When Douglas was about 3 or 4 years old, his father took him to a beach in California. A big wave knocked him down and covered him. He felt very scared and could not breathe. This was the start of his fear of water. Describe the incident at YMCA pool. At YMCA pool, Douglas was waiting alone for others boy. A big boy about 18 years old come. This boy picked Douglas up and threw him into the 9 foot deep end of the pool. Douglas went straight to the bottom. He felt very scared and almost drowned before someone saved him. How did the instructor build a swimmer out of Douglas? तो देखिए, the instructor helped Douglas become a swimmer step by step. First, he made Douglas practice breathing in, out and in. Then he made him practice kicking his legs. They did this for many weeks and months. After the instructor finished, Douglas still swam alone in lakes to make sure all his fear was gone. Next है, our determination helps us to achieve success. Explain. देखिए, yes, our strong will and determination help us win. Douglas was very determined to get rid of his fear of water. He worked hard with his instructor and then pushed himself to swim alone in lakes. Because he did not give up and kept trying, he finally learned to swim and won over his fear. This shows that when he really want to do something and keep trying, we can succeed. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डिड डंगलस ओवरकम हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर? डंगलस ओवरकम his fear of water by taking many steps. First, he decided to fight his fear. He hired an instructor who taught him to swim piece by piece. For many months after the instructor, Donglus still had some fear. So he went to different lakes and swam long distances by himself. Pushing away the last bits of fear, he did not stop until he left completely free. Next question है, how did the incident the YMCA pool affected Donglus? The incident at the YMCA pool made Donglus' fears of water much worse. For a long time after that, he could not enjoy water activities like fishing, boating or swimming. The fear stayed with him and made him sad. How did Donglus struggle at the pool? When he was thrown into the pool, the Donglus struggled a lot. He went down quickly to the bottom. He tried to jump up with his feet, but he came up very slowly. He tried to grab onto something, but there was only water. He moved his arms and legs, but it did not help much. He tried to shout, but no sound come out. He felt like his body was not working and he was full of fear. Next question है, what handicap stayed with Donglus for a long time? What did he do to resolve it from the life? यहाँ से आपका आंसर स्टार्ट हो रहा है. The handicap that stayed with Donglus for a long time was his deep fear of water. This fear stopped him from enjoy water sports and trips. To fix this, he first hired a swimming instructor to learn properly. Then he went to lakes and rivers by himself and swam many miles. He kept challenging himself to swim until the fear of left him completely. अब बताते हैं हम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस पे. Why did Donglus choose the YMCA pool instead of Vamika river? The Donglus chose the YMCA pool because it was much safer than Vakima river was dangerous with strong currents. The pool was only 2 or 3 feet deep at the shallow end, which seemed safer to him. Next step, what was the extract depth of the pool at the deep end? The extract depth of the pool at the deep end was 9 feet. 9 feet. Next question है, what was Donglus' first plan when he was thrown into the water? His first plan was to let himself sink to the bottom. Then he make a big jump to push himself back up to the surface. He thought he would come up like a cock. How many times did Donglus try to come up from the water? Donglus tried to come up from the water 3 times. Each time he failed. What happened to Donglus after his third failed attempt to come up? तो देखिए, his third try, Donglus stopped fighting. He felt tired and peaceful. He backed out, meaning he lost his sense. Who saved Donglus from drowning at the YMCA pool? A strong boy who had thrown him in later pulled Donglus out of the pool. He was found lying beside the pool, coughing up water. How did Donglus feel right after he was pulled out of the pool? He felt very weak and sick. He was shaking and crying. He could not eat that night and felt a great fear of many days. What affected the drowning incident have on this daily life? The fear of water stayed with him for years. It ruined his fun trips like fishing, boating and swimming. He avoided waters whenever he could. Why did Donglus decide to hire an instructor? He decided to hire an instructor because his fear of water was spoiling his life. He wanted to get rid of it and learn to swim properly. How long did the instructor work with Donglus? The instructor worked with Donglus for about 6 months. What was the first part of swimming the instructor taught Donglus? The instructor first taught Donglus how to breathe. He made him put his face under water and breathe out and then raise his nose to breathe in. What was the second part of swimming the instructor taught Donglus? After breathing, the instructor taught Donglus how to kick his legs in the water. He made him practice this for many weeks. When did the instructor declare Donglus a swimmer? The instructor declared Donglus as a swimmer when he could swim the length of the pool by himself, first 20 yards, then other distances. Did Donglus feel completely free from fear after the instructor finished? No, he did not feel completely free from fear. Some small fear stayed with him. What did Donglus do after the instructor finished to test himself? He went to different lakes like Lake Wentworth and Worm Lake and swam miles across them to test and conquer his remaining fear. What did Donglus yell when he finally conquered his fear? When he finally felt free and swam all alone across the lake, he yelled, "I have conquered it," or "I have killed it, licked it." What is the main message of the chapter Deep Water? The main message is the fear is a big obstacle, but with determination and effort, one can overcome it. It's shown the power of will. How did author's past experience with water affected his decision to join YMCA pool? देखिए, his past scary experience at the California beach made him scared of water. He thought the YMCA pool would be a safer place to learn, but it still held dangerous for him. What physical reaction did Donglus have when he was drawing? His legs felt stiff and frozen, like they were paralyzed. His brain felt dizzy and he could not think clearly. What realization did Donglus have about fear in the end? He realized that in death there is a peace, and that only the fear of death itself it was a causes terror. He understood that he could overcome any fear. तो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे जो है कि आपका क्लास ख़त्म होता है. अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. और अगर आपको ये चैप्टर नहीं समझ आया है या आपने अभी तक पढ़ा नहीं है तो अगर आप हमें कमेंट करते हैं तो मैं इस पर एक शॉर्ट समरी आपके लिए ज़रूर लेकर आऊँगी, जिसमें मैं आपको जिस तरह से ये आंसर बिल्कुल ईजी लैंग्वेज में थे उसी तरह से बिल्कुल ईजी लैंग्वेज में आपके लिए शॉर्ट समरी लेकर आऊँगी डीप वाटर चैप्टर का. सो थैंक यू.